Thanks, Emily. We have a treat this morning with baking duo Jean Parker and Rachel Smith, who are ready to whisk us off to Wonderland with their cookbook. Welcome to both of you. Thanks for being here this morning.
Well, thanks for having me. We love to start our day with dessert.
As do I. Woman after my own heart. I love it. Good. Awesome. So what do we have here today, this morning?
Well, we did bring our cookbook, Baking Wonderland, and we also brought a milk and cookie party with us.
Right.
Amazing.
We don't think that Santa should be having all the fun. So we've decided to make our slam dunk vanilla milk and then dip it with cookies, because our cookbook is a mix and match cookbook. So you can build a cookie, you can make a sandwich cookie, you can have a donut or a cake and smash all the things together.
That's my favorite thing to hear, just mix it all together.
That's right, and we encourage kids to mix and match flavors, all different flavor combinations. They really are the boss of their own baking adventure.
I love to hear that. Well, tell me more. What inspired the cookbook?
Well, really, our mom is the one who got us into baking, and our kids as well. Right, Jean?
Making a lot of messes in the kitchen, like a lot.
Yes.
And we're like, maybe there's a simpler way to do this, and also to give the kids total control of the final product. So we developed cookies, cakes, ice creams, ice creams. There is one. There's just a little bit of everything. So you can really choose your adventure.
That's amazing. Why is it important to let kids make those decisions in the kitchen?
Well, it gives them confidence. And the kitchen is such a safe spot to, make mistakes. We promise you the crumbs taste delicious.
That's the best part, I think, because when you get those little bits afterwards, right?
Right, exactly.
So you mentioned briefly that your mom got you into cooking, but what really brought you here? How did you start?
Oh my gosh, Mom! Well, our mom was a baker, and she had a butter tart company, and we kind of helped her, do that our whole lives. But actually, this cookie right here, our 7th Street chocolate chip cookie, we actually made with Mom as kids on the floor.
Yes.
Wow.
She had the wherewithal to move us to the floor because sprinkles were flying, chocolate chips were flying, and it was the safer spot.
Amazing. All right.
Well, do you want to make a milk?
Let's make some milk. What's going on here?
Okay, so we have our vanilla syrup. We've already made that and let it cool. That's just a simple sugar, vanilla, and water. So we've added that to a large jam jar. And Rach, our secret ingredient.
This is our secret ingredient for our slam dunk vanilla milk is milk powder.
Really?
Yeah.
I never would have guessed that.
So you're going to add 3 of these.
Okay. Right into here?
Right into this big mason jar. Now we are making 3 milks because we're all going to have one, right?
Absolutely.
We are.
So you're going to do 3 of those.
Okay.
And then once you're done that, you're going to pour, we're going to say 3 cups of milk.
Okay.
Do you want to do that?
Yeah, I'll just do that.
Beautiful.
Into our mason jar.
Yep. That's
amazing.
Might be a little more than 3, but that's okay.
Now this is important. Make sure that's on tight.
I know, I don't want to be wearing the milk after this. Right? We're just going to All right, shake it.
Shake.
All right, shaking it up.
Yes. The milk powder really will add this lovely, creamy, that signature milkshake flavor to it.
Gives that lusciousness to it.
All right, what do we think? Is that all shaken up or a little bit more?
A little bit more.
A little bit more. Okay, all right. No, still shaking.
We're going to spend all morning here.
I know, we're just going to shake.
Just eating cookies.
Okay, Jean, do you want to throw some straws in there?
Well, let everyone pick.
I'm going orange. I'm going pink.
And yellow.
Amazing. All right, let's pour this and try it really quickly. Where can we find your information and all of these delicious recipes?
You can go to our website at jeanandrachel.ca for all of the information. Our books are found anywhere you buy books, which is very convenient and lovely.
All right,
so ladies.
Cheers. I'm gonna have a cookie in mine, I think.
Oh yeah.
Help yourself.
Are you gonna blow bubbles?
Amazing. All right, we'll have all kinds of morning live coming up for you after this. Oh, this is delicious. Oh my goodness.
I know. Cheers.